Generate your deployment plan with Digital AI Deploy. How can I automatically deploy applications to an environment? With Digital AI Deploy, it's easy. Digital AI Deploy is a declarative deployment model. Digital AI Deploy is model-based, so it means that I can reuse objects. Plugins enable us to have scriptless deployments. So let me show you how that works. So this is Digital AI Deploy. If I want to deploy an application, I can click on the Start Deployment model in the main canvas, and I end up with a deployment canvas. I can then select an application I want to deploy. So let's deploy our Pet Portal version 1 application. And then I can drag an environment from the right-hand side, say our test environment, in here. And then Digital AI Deploy will automatically generate the relationships between the content in our deployment package and where we want to deploy it. So for example, our web content will get deployed to an Apache web server. Our SQL content will get deployed to our MySQL database in this case. And even the data source for JBoss will get deployed to the JBoss server. We can even preview this deployment by clicking on the preview button. And now we can see the entire deployment plan, all the steps in the order that they will be executed. I can even double click on one of these steps and see the script behind it that was actually generated from the plugins. If I click on deploy, Digital AI Deploy will actually start doing the deployment, and we can step through the steps of the deployment. We can see what the output of all these steps are, and then we have all this information that will now be logged in a repository so you can go back and look at it later. So that is doing an initial deployment with Digital AI Deploy.